All right. Harbor Grove. We're back out here, Harbor Grove. We're back out here. We gotta see what we can get today. I'm still after that one fish. I'm still after that one fish that got away from me. I sure am. He got away. Y'all don't know about that story, but he got away from me. He snapped my line and got off. I'm coming for revenge. All right. Whoa, now. Don't do that now. I ain't signed up for all the poles up my butt now. All right. Got another pole out. Now remember, we're looking for that fish that got away from us. I think he's out there waiting on me to come back and get him. Okay. Nice evening out here. Let's see what the temperature is.
It's 82 degrees in Highland Village right now.
82 degrees in Highland Village right now. So, we're going to see what happened today in Highland Village with this 82 degree weather. The wind is coming out the north today, out the, I guess more like the west, northwest. So, yeah, we're going to see how it plays out today. So, y'all stay tuned. Hopefully, we're going to have some more action today. It's still Harbor Grove. Harbor Grove. It's still Harbor Grove, even though it said something village. I don't know. Just in case. I got it ready. Baby. I got it locked and loaded. Just in case. Got it locked and loaded. Yeah. There we go. Make sure the arm is extended. Yep. We're gonna catch that one. Today. Hopefully. It's gotta be something out here. It's gotta be. Hopefully it's something out here. Hopefully it's something out here today. 82 degrees. Fair weather, baby. Fair weather for fishing. I'm moving the rocks just in case I get that big one. I won't trip and break my leg or my toe and be mad. Just in case. Safety first before you catch them. heard that right. Probably a turtle. We're gonna do the benefit of the doubt and say it's a turtle playing on the line. That one. Let's just wait and see. I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but it's a lot more movement on this line that just got hit than it is on this line. So I'm gonna just go ahead for precaution and check the line just to check and make sure they didn't hit it and they set themselves on that hook. And I do think it was actually a fish that hit that time, because I don't see a bite mark out of it from where the turtle hit it, so they snagged it pretty good. Whatever hit it, snagged it pretty good, so let's put some fresh bait on here. Alright, we got some fresh bait. Let's get it back in that same spot, if not close to it. Alright, let's just wait and see what happens. Hopefully we got something getting on this line soon. Keep playing with this line here. Hopefully it's gonna hit. So now they want to play on this line. They out there. They just playing right now. We're going to play with them today too. We ain't going nowhere right now. I think we need to check both of these lines since we've had hits on both of them. So let's see what's going on with it. Dang on birds back there just to scare the heck out of me. All that flopping and flipping and flopping and crap. Alright, line number 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. Turtles ate on that one. Let's rebait it and get it back out there. Well, I'm trying to get this one rebaited back in there, but something hit this one again. So let's get this one back out and we're gonna check that line next. We got that one in. Now, let's check this one. Since I couldn't get that one back in the water fast enough before something hit this one again. Yeah, nothing. Nothing on the line again. They just playing with it. Let's dip it back in the juices and put it back out there. Woo, that was a good throw. That was a good throw there. Alright, we got both lines rebaited and back in the water. Let's see what happened this time. Just keep playing on the line. It must be just turtle day today. No fishing. Just turtles today. He's on there. Get that bail off of there. It's on there. Yeah, small one. What the heck? It's them dang turtles playing on the line. Y'all heard that drag, right? Got dang on turtles. Got me so mad I can't even talk right. I'ma get him. Let's get it back out there and let's see what happens next. So something was definitely pulling the line. Whatever it was, turtle or fish, it got off. But we're going right back out there to see what happens next. Almost the same spot. Alright, let's wait. I got it baited again. Let's see what happened this time. I'm gonna go ahead and check this line here, and then once we check it, we're gonna put it back in a different spot. Either I pulled it off the hook or something snatched it off the hook. So let's get it rebaited and let's get it back out there. Alright, let's get this one back out there to see what happened this time, since either I pulled it off while I was checking it or something snatched it out. Alright, we got it set back up. Let's just chill and see what happens. On the line, but ain't nothing getting on the line. They can keep playing. They get hooked, I'm bringing them in. That's gotta be one. That's gotta be one. Oh my God. It's them goddamn turtles out there snatching this chicken off. Look at that. Let's get it back in the water before it gets too dark on. We gotta pull something out of here. Alright, I got some more on this line. Y'all just seen what happened. They snatched the line like crazy. So if it's the turtles playing, that's fine, but it's the fish, we're gonna snatch them up out of here this time. I'm trying to be lenient on them, but evidently they want to come out and play. I'm gonna snatch them out so we can play. Got back out there. Let's throw the bell on here so we can hear that same noise again. Alright, this might be the last cast because like I said, it's getting dark on us. So if nothing happened this time, we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna get the heck up out of here and get back in and chill for the rest of the day or the night. I hate everybody. Man, these dang old turtles messing with me all day today. Well, not all day, for the couple of hours that I was out here, they was playing on both lines, you know, just acting stupid. And I'm thinking I'm getting fish to hit the line, but come to find out, it wasn't nothing but the turtles, because you can tell the way when, you know, you pull out your bait out the water, it's all ate off of and everything. But if it was a fish, they just gonna hit that hook and they gonna get hooked. But them turtles just playing with it left and right, making me think I was gonna catch me some. But hey, I ain't catching nothing today. But hey, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed fishing. Enjoyed the time out on the lake. My bad. I was probably closing this video out. But anyway, I'm hoping y'all enjoyed this video. And you know, like I always say, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Alright? Peace. Until later. On the water. On the Pelican Bass Radar. On the banks. Somewhere. But I gotta go. Holler at you.